Assalamu alaikum. Hey, what's up guys? This is Farooq and welcome back to Farooq Family. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. Guys, we got a really special package from Infinix and this one is GT20 Pro, an official gaming phone of PUBG Mobile Super League, PMSL, EMEA and CSA region. We're gonna unbox GT20 Pro today and also we're gonna play some PUBG Mobile. As Infinix GT20 Pro is the first gaming phone that achieved the native 120 FPS. So let's get started guys. Let's start the unbox. We can see on the top we have a case, a cooling fan, trigger and the clock sauce. That's a nice touch for Infinix. But before we start it up, thank you so much Infinix for sending me out this amazing gift and supporting this channel. So let's get started guys. Right on the back we see the PUBG Mobile esports. We got our cooling fan, a trigger, and we also got our case. This special case has a metal plate underneath where it's dispute the heat from the phone. Infinix really think about the gaming, and I would say that's a really nice touch. We hardly find these kind of cases, and even though in the back you can see the heat distribute the plate, and this is the PCM material that's really soft to touch and easy to handle. We'll check this one in a second. Okay, we got the clock sauce, a charging cable for our cooling fan and a cooling fan. We'll check these things in a second. We also got the trigger. I don't use the trigger, but if you guys use, this is the best bet for you guys. Instead of spending money in a separate things, you got everything in a package. And right on the back, we got our GT20 Pro, a 256 gigabyte of storage and a 24 gigabyte of RAM. That amazing in a phone. Let's unbox the GT20 Pro. GT20 Pro is the first phone has the dual chip inside and also have a dedicated gaming display chip inside. That's amazing. A stable frame rate engine, a bezel-less 144 Hz full HD plus display, an AMOLED display. Come on. Clean and pure OS and the sound by JBL. The biggest one is the esports mode. That's what we're gonna check later in this video. So let's get started guys. PUBG Mobile esports. Wait a second. Is that the Erangel map? Dude, that itself is so detailed. Without even writing on this one, I can tell Pochinki, military base, Milta Power, Yasnaya, Georgiopol. I think you guys can also spot this one like easily. Let's check out our phone. The opening experience itself is so cool. Outplay the rest. Infinix GT20 Pro. Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, 4nm 5G processor, up to 24 GB of RAM. That's a nice one. We're gonna start this one up in a second. Let's just check the accessories and what we got in the accessories. Wait a second. Didn't realize. Check this one out guys. The GT on the one side, the PUBG Mobile esports, and it's literally a pan. That's a really nice detailed. Okay, let's put on a side. What else we got right here? Oh, we also have a protector. That's a nice touch. Wait, we also have another case? Oh, what's the difference between... Okay, so we got two case guys. If you just buy the phone, you will get a nice case. But if you buy the gift pack bundle, you will get the Infinix GT and also PCM material phone case. That's a really softer. Like this one is a more plastic feeling, but this one is a soft and really nice. And you can see the metal plate that can dispute the heat. Why not the other phone do these kind of stuff? Let's see what else we got. Okay, we got the 45 watt Infinix special charger, fast charger, and also we got some other accessories. That's the right angle cable for the charging. let's start it up, guys. So I will put on the screen right here all the specs if you guys want to check it out. The biggest one for me is the 5000 milliamp battery on this one. Is an amazing touch. And also, guys, one other biggest feature in this one is it's a dual SIM. Like if you're in the country where you want to use the dual SIM phone, this is your best bet. Like a gaming phone with the dual SIM, there's hardly in the market right now. After they set it up, guys, let's talk about this amazing display. This is 144 Hz bezel-less AMOLED display, and this is so nice. I don't think so the camera can identify. You can unlock the phone with the Face ID, with the fingerprint that's under the display, and also with the passcode. And the biggest feature is the lightning in the back. You can adjust the lightning. Simply go on the mecha loop and you can turn on the party mode, the music, charging, notification. You can choose the lightning on your own taste. Like in the calls, from your contacts, you can choose a different lightning. From unknown number, you can use none or a different breathing color, whatever the color you guys like. I really like the Metro and the Rhythm one. These are really cool ones. And let's talk about the camera, guys. This phone packed with 108 megapixel camera. Let me check it out, guys. Looks so amazing. Let me take a picture from the outside and you can see the color from the outside, the brightness and everything, and also a video test. This is the video test. This is 4K 60 Hz and the video quality is amazing. Facing camera is 32 megapixel. This is recording you guys can see from the front facing camera. Okay, let's test it out, the cooler and also the case. With the case, like there is no bumps, especially on the pinky fingers. Will it become a little heavy? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a really strong magnet. It can hold the phone. So right on the bat, if we just swipe on the left side, we have a different modes. The power saving mode, performance mode. In the performance mode, it's gonna boost up everything. And then we have right here the esports mode. With the esports mode, it's gonna like no call, no notification. You're more focused on the game and it's gonna be frame stability, GPU optimize and background clean it up. Everything it's gonna do by itself. We don't have to worry. If we have to exit the esports mode, we just have to swipe from the left side and exit. Solo versus squad. Let's see how we will perform. Oh, there is a lot of people are coming, but they're way whoa, bro, I got so late. Can I get the gun, please? Oh. No. Potato him. Okay, let's launch the mecha. Okay, this is the first time I'm playing on this one. Okay, the sensitivity is not optimized yet, but I wanna go on Midstein. Dude, there is like 8 drops. I see multiple guys around. From where this guy is fighting? Hold on, guys, I'm coming. No! Let's go in the game. This time, we'll try to get the chicken dinner. How many people are landing? There's like only one. Ooh, wait. I thought there is only one person is landing. Come on, bro. Javi, bro. Pre-fire, bro. Can I get the healing, man? I don't have a healing. Please give me a healing. No! Miss Mimi? Sorry. Finally, we are at the point. Okay, let's go. Oh, that Groza guy? Let's get that Groza guy. Come on, man. Wait, did I see something? I did see something. There we go. Okay. Come on, pick him up. Sorry, bro. Okay. No. Let me heal up. Let me heal up. I'm a 0 HP, man. Yeah, you're knocked, Brian. You're knocked. You're dead. Where the other guy is. Run, run, run for your life. Run for your life.
Our vehicle is smoking.
in the end, guys, this is official gaming phone of PUBG Mobile Super League, PMSL, EMEA and CSA regions. And also guys, this one have a dual chip and 144 Hz AMOLED display, and top of that is 5000 milliampere battery. And my biggest feature in this phone is the esports mode, where one click and turn it off all the notification, call and everything, and my main focus is on the game, and this is super cool. Well, there is more details in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing video. If you do so and want to see more content like this, then don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, do what you gotta do, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out and Allah Hafiz.